to another assignment. Should be a fairly short assignment today. We're just gluing the other T-frame onto the A-frame, and it should sit overnight so that it can get nice and dry, so that on the next, because the next step is going to be building the pieces that are going to go in between. So shouldn't take you that long. This goes in line with the district has asked us to kind of slow down the lessons, so this fits in perfectly with that. Should probably take you about 10-15 minutes to get this part done, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Have a beautiful day. Okay, assembling the A-frames part 2. This one's going to take a little bit more finicky finger work. We're going to need to try to make sure that these 2 points up at the top line up as well as we can. And as we glue it, we're going to glue the top, the bottom, and then the 2 corners. So here we go. Going to put a little bit of glue on both of these, spread it around. And then I'm going to come over here and wipe my finger off there. That way I can keep it and use my finger without it being all covered in glue. You want to make sure you're getting the outside here lined up as best you can. Hold it down for a few seconds so that everything lines up, sticks together. Again, the thinner you spread the glue, the faster it's going to dry. Okay, I'm pretty close. I'm a little bit off right there, but that's okay. I feel like the point up at the top is good. Now I'm going to put glue in on here at the bottom. And I'm going to try to get that centered as well as I can. This one takes a little bit more effort than the other side when we were doing the work yesterday. So once we've got that, I'm going to come over here and do the corners. Spread it around. And then again, here we're trying to line up the corners as best we can. It's actually better if this remains straight as opposed to it getting wrinkled. A little bit of wrinkle is okay, but I'm kind of overlapped just a little bit on this edge. But I'd rather do that than have this piece be sloped in. Last one. Glue it in place. Again, you're trying to keep this as straight as you can, as tight as you can. And that's it. And so we have to do 2 of these. We want to do the same thing on the other one. And that's all your work for today. So another quick and fairly easy day worth of work. And there you have your 2 A-frames, and we'll come back to them tomorrow. Let them dry overnight, and we'll take a look at it all tomorrow. We're going to actually start putting these pieces together so that they start coming together like this. And that's the plan. See you tomorrow. Final notes, don't freak out if the tippy tip is not super pointed, and don't freak out if your tension lines are not perfectly straight. It'll all be okay. See you in the lesson tomorrow.